Healthy biomass is the foundation of effective wastewater treatment performance. ReBuild is a bacterial augmentation product designed to help activated sludge systems recover after upsets and rapidly rebuild healthy biomass. Operational upsets, toxicity events, washouts, and startup conditions can leave your plants struggling with poor settling, ammonia spikes, cloudy effluent, and disappearing mixed liquor. ReBuild helps restore biological activity and accelerate recovery. ReBuild contains a diverse blend of bacteria and biostimulants, including floc-forming bacteria selected for their ability to establish healthy biomass quickly. ReBuild is to be dosed based on average daily flow rates and should be added directly to each aeration basin once daily. Continue the initial dose for the first 10 days, then transition to a maintenance dose for the following 20 days. As the bacteria begin to establish themselves within the activated sludge process, they help rebuild biomass, improve settling characteristics, and restore biological treatment performance. Whether you're recovering from influent toxicity, a system washout, or starting up a new plant, ReBuild helps minimize downtime and reduce the need for seed sludge. For even faster biomass regrowth, pair ReBuild with Smart BOD, or use Flock Shield when toxic influent is a concern. Visit us online or give us a call to learn more about ReBuild and Aquafix's complete line of wastewater treatment solutions.